Yeah, I understand that John Deere is trying to make life easier for every farmer out there. And shout out to all the farmers that are the backbone of the United States of America. Not only like because the food that they are provide, but also that work ethic is something that we need to keep in our country forever and ever.